length of the plate that is converted into, this is a 2 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square by 4 into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means 2000. Sorry, this is a 2000 into 1.6 into 10 power of minus 90. Minus 90. So this is cancel each other. Y is equal to 1.5. So that is a 4 into 10 power of minus 4 into 10 power of 4 by 4 into 2000. 2000. So base is same. So powers we are. So we get 10 power of 0. The value is 1. So 15 into 4 into 10 power of minus 1 by 4 into 2 into 10 power of 3. So 4 cancel. 15 by 2 into 10 power of minus 1. Take upside 10 power of minus 3. 10 power of minus. This is 7.5 into 10 power of minus 4. This is a y. This is a y value. That is a. See, in millimeters we need millimeters means y is equal to 75 into 10 power of minus 5. So y is equal to 75 into 10 power of minus 3 into 10 power of minus 2. So y is equal to 0.75 into, this is centi, we are going to write so millimeter. Millimeter. Y is equal to 0.75. 0.75. That is your answer. Your answer. This is what is given. This is electric field. So this is a direction of electric field. So next, this is the length of the plate. This is from here to here is length of the plate. Length of the plate is 2 centimeters. This is kinetic energy of electron. Kinetic energy of electron. So what is the deviation? It travels. This is electron moves with this kinetic energy. Moves with this kinetic. It is enter into. The electron is moves with a perpendicular to the electric field. It is enter in this direction. It moves in this direction. It moves in this direction. So how much deflection means? What is the deflection? What is the deflection of this negative charge means 0.75 millimeter. That is a deflection of negative. That is the value. That is next question. Next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Next question is question number 11. What is given it? A bulb of simple pendulum mass is 40. Mass is given 40 gram. This is converted into the kg into 10 power of minus 3 kg. This is a mass. And positive charge. This is having 4 into 10 power of minus 6 mass. This charge is oscillated with a time period. Time period is T1. And the electric field of intensity is 3.6 into E is equal to 3.6 into 10 power of 4 Newton by Coulomb. Is applied vertically upward direction. Is applied vertically upward direction. Upward direction. Upward direction. Now it's a time period is T2. Now it's a time period is T2. So we have to find out T1 by T2 is what is the value. This is we have to find out T2 by T1. This is electric. This is a bow This bulb has mass is 40 grams. That is converted into the kc. And this bulb having charges, it is oscillated. What is the oscillation of what is the time period of oscillation of this pendulum is T1. Next, electric field is applied vertically upward direction. So what is the time period of oscillation of this pendulum? Oscillation of pendulum. Now this is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. So negative charge. This is having positive charge, and this positive charge will repel to this positive charge is upward direction. That is the electric force. Electric force and tension both are in upward direction, and weight acts vertically downward direction. Weight acts vertically downward direction. So T1 is equal to this is a T1 is equal to this is W is equal to weight. W is equal to weight. W is equal to mg. T1 is equal to what is the mg? M means 40 into 10 power of minus 3, and g means 10. T1 is equal to 400 into 10 power of minus 3. 400 10 power of minus 3. That is a value is 0.4. 0.4. This is a 400 by 1000. Means 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. That is the value is T1 is equal to 0.4 Newton. That is a T1 value. That is a T1 value. T2 by T1. Now you'll see here at this chart is at rest position. Chart is Bob is rest. Bob is at rest. Rest means so upward force is T2 plus F is equal to mg. That is the mg. Now T2 means what is a T2? T2 plus F means electrostatic force between the two charges. That is EQ. That is EQ. That is F is equal to F E is equal to F by Q. F is equal to EQ. F is equal to EQ. EQ is equal to mg. So next to T2 is equal to mg minus EQ. mg minus EQ. So T2 is equal to M means what is a mass? 40 into 10 power of minus 3, and G means what is the G value? 10 minus E means so what is the E value? 3.6 into 10 power of 4, and Q means what is the charge? Charge means charge given 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So T2 is equal to T2 is equal to this is 400 0.4 minus this is 3.6 into 4 into 10 power of 4 and 10 power of minus 6. T2 is equal to 0.4 minus 3.6 and 4 into 10 power of minus 1 plus 4 minus 6. This is T2 is equal to 0.4 36 into 4 into 10 to the power of 4. This is minus 7. So what is the value of this one? This is a minus 3. Minus 3. This is T2 is equal to 0.4 minus 36 into 4. 36 into 4. This is this total value is 0.144. 144. T2 is equal to minus 6. T1 is equal to what is the T1? So this is tension in both sides. This is a tension. This is a tension T1 upside. So weight is adds vertically downward direction, and Bob is at rest. Bob is at rest. Rest means this is value. T1 is equal to mg. T1 is equal to mg. This is the formula. M means what is a mass? Mass 40 into 10 to the power of minus 3. mg. M means 40 into 10 power of minus 3 and 10. That is the value is 400, 10 power of minus 3. That is 31 is equal to 0.4. So next, this is a value is this is basically upward direction. Now this positive charge will repel to this positive charge is upward direction, and Bob is at rest means T2 plus F is equal to mc. T2 means we have to find out F means F is equal to EQ. F is equal to EQ. EQ is equal to mc is equal to mc. Now E means EQ T2, and this value take this side mg minus EQ, and M means 40 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and G means this is mg 10 minus EQ. EQ means what is the E? 3.6 into 10 power of 4, and Q means what is Q? Q is equal to 4 into 10 power of minus 6. 4 into 10 power of minus 6. This value is totally 0.4 and 3.6 and 4 into and 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus this is a T2 is equal to 0.4 minus this is a value is 3.6 into 4 into 10 power of minus T2 is equal to 0.4 minus 3.6 into 4 into 10 power of minus 10 power of minus. Now this is a 4 into 10 power of minus. T2 is equal to this value. I'm going to simplify. This is a 4 into this is a 0.4 and minus 36 3.6. 3.6 into this is a 36 into 4 into 10 power of minus 1 minus 2. This is value is minus 36 into 4 into 10 power of minus 3 0.4. That is why 36 into 4 144 is equal to by 1000. This is a 0.144. This is a 0.4. That is a okay. Do another way. Simple method. Simple. Don't do this unnecessary this thing. Shortcut. Simple formula we are using. Simple formula we are using. That is so this is a T1 is equal to 5 root of L by G. Equation number 1 for this one. So this is a T2 is equal to 2 5 root of L by G effect. G effect. G effect. This is equation number 2. 2 by 1 is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to 2 5 root of L by G effect by 2 5 root of L by G. So 2 5 cancel, L cancel, and T2 by T1 is equal. So root of this is G by 1 by G effect into G by 1. T2 by T1 is equal to this is the root of G by G effect. G by G effect. From here, T2 plus Fp is equal to mg. So now T2 is equal to this is the mg minus Fp. So T2 means according to Newton's second law, this is I'm going to write NA, this is the mc, this is the Fp means so E is equal to F by Q is equal to F is equal to EQ. EQ. This is a EQ. So next M take the common G minus EQ by M. So MM cancel. This is a means G effect. We are calling G effect is equal to G minus EQ by M. This is a value. Now T2 by T1 is equal to root of G. G means G value is 10. Value is 10 by G effect. G effect means G minus EQ by F. EQ by T2 by T1 is equal to root of 10 by 10 minus E. E means what is the E value? 3.6 into 10 power of 4, and Q means 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 by M means 40 into 10 power of minus 3. 40 into 10 power of minus 3. This is the value. So this is a T2 by T1 is equal to root of under root of 10 by 10 minus. This is a now we are going to simplify this one. So what is the value we are getting? Charge is given. So what is the charge? 4 into 10 power of minus 6. Charge is 4 into 10 power of minus 6. This is a charge. Q. Q is given. So now the value is G effective. We are going to find out G minus EQ by M. G means 10. E means 3.6 into 10 power of 4. Q means 4 into 10 power of minus 6. Mass means 40 into 10 power of minus 6. Minus 10 minus 33.6 4 into 10 power of minus 2. This is minus by 40 into 10 power of minus 3. So here 4 cancel. 10 minus 3.6 in 10 power of minus 2. This is a 10 power of minus 2. This is a 10 and 10 power of minus 2. 10 power of minus 2, 10 power of minus 2 cancel. 10 minus 3.6. This is a value is 6.4. 10 minus 3.6. 10 minus 3.6. 10 minus 3.6. This is a 6.4. This is a G effective. G effective. T2 by T1 is equal to root of 10 by 6.4. 6.4. That is a pure value. Ten by 6.4. That is this is a value is root of 1.5625. This is a T2 by T1. Now, so what happened? Root of 1.5625. This is the value is T2 by T1 value is, this value is 1.25. 1. That is the order. 1.25. That is a order. This is a problem number. Problem number 11. So next to problem number 12. Problem number 12. Question number 12. This is a square. Distance from here to here is 2a. From here to here is 2a. Outside also. This is a point, B point, C point, D point. Here charge is Q minus Q. This is a 2Q. This is a Q. This is a Q. And this is a charge is placed. Test charge. Test charge. Now this is a positive charge. This positive charge repel the charges this direction. This is the midpoint. From here to here is the distance A. From here to here a distance also A. Distance. This is a electric field direction. Now this is a negative charge. Will attract positive charge is this direction. That is the direction of electric field is this. So this is electric field. This is a making angle theta. This one means making angle theta. This one means this is E cos theta is long distance. E cos theta. This also making angle theta. This one means this is E cos theta along distance. E cos theta along. This is a Q will repel to the charges this direction. This 2Q repel to the charges this direction. That is the electric field. This is a 1, 2. This is a E3. This is a E4 again. So what is the net charge? Net E net at E net is equal to. So first of all, I'm going to write unit 1. So E1 is equal to and EA. EA. Now, so E1 is equal to this one. This is a mechanical angle theta. This is a E2 cos theta. E cos theta. E cos theta. This is 2A. This is A means this is the root of 5. Root of 5 according to Pythagoras law. Pythagoras law. This is E means KQ by distance between charges is pi square cos theta. Cos theta means this is adjacent side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. A by root of 5A. Root of 5A. This is E1, but the direction of this one is along. This is C direction. C direction. Electric field is along this. E2 is equal to now minus Q. That is positive Q. Same we are checking, and direction of electric field is along C direction. Next E3. E3 is equal to E3. This is E3. K2Q by distance A square. Direction is along D bar direction. Next E4 is equal to this one. So KQ capital Q distance between the two charges A. Direction is C bar direction. C bar direction. Now we will see E net. E net on midpoint. Mid charge. Midpoint. Midpoint is equal to. So E net is equal to. E net is equal to. E net is equal to. Only one E3. E3 minus E1, E2, E2, E1, E2, E4. This is equal to 0. E net is equal to 0. E net is equal to 0. Now E net is equal to 0. Now this is become 0. So now this is E3 is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E4. Now you see E3 means K2Q by A square is equal to E1. E1 means E1, E2 both are same. Both are same. Both are same. E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E. Both are same. That is 2E plus E4. So 2E means 2 KQ by root of 5A square into A by 5 root 3. 5 root 3 and plus E4. E4 means what is E4? KQ by yes. So this is a K2Q by yes. Now K2Q by A square is equal to 2KQ by that is a 5 A square A by root 5A plus KQ by yes. So A cancel A square cancel each other and K cancel it. Remaining 2Q is equal to 2Q by 5 root 2 5 root 2 5 plus capital. Capital Q take this side. Capital 2Q minus Q is equal to 2Q by 5 root 5. So this is 2Q minus Q means Q. This is a 2Q by 5 root 5. This Q take this side. This is a capital Q by small q is equal to 2 by root 5. 5 root 2 5. This is the answer. That is your answer. Once again, I'm going to explain this diagram. So you will understand this diagram, you will get the event. This is a square. This is a distance to A. This is a distance to A, here to. This is A point, B point, C point, D point. Here Q, here minus Q. This is a QQ, this is a Q. And midpoint, this is the charge. From here to here is A. From here to here is A. Distance is from here to here is A. Here to here is A. From here to here is A, midpoint. This is a Q naught there, here Q naught. The charge, this positive charge will repel to the charge is this direction. This is electric field. But you see, this can be divided into components. But this is a x-axis, y-axis. This is a plane. Making angle theta means this is a E cos theta. E cos theta is along this direction. This is the E sin. E sin theta is downward. This E can be resolved into two components. One component is E cos theta is along this direction. E sin theta is along this direction. Next, this is a minus Q. This minus Q, this charge is attracted this direction. This is the direction. Electric field is this one. But you see, this is x dash, y dash. You see, this is electric field is in xy plane. This can be resolved into two components. This is making theta. This is again E cos theta is along x-axis. E sin theta is along in y. E sin theta is a upward direction. E sin theta is downward direction. Both are cancel each other. But this one is E cos theta plus E cos theta, 2E cos theta, 2E cos theta. That is the E1 and E2. That is the value. E1 and E2 value. Next, this is a 2Q. This is a 2Q. This 2Q will repel to the charges this direction. That is E3. That is the E3. This is a net. This is a Q. This Q will repel to this Q naught is this direction. That is a E4. E4 is this direction. This direction, but net charge is 0. Net charge is 0. Now, according to rule, this is the distance 2a. This is a. This is the root of 4a square, 2a square plus a square. That is the root of 4a square plus a square. That is the value is. This is the root of 5a square. That is the root 5a. Root 5a. This is the your answer. This is the root 5a. Root 5. This is a distance. That is your. Oh, next. Next 13 question. That is belongs to next concept. Next 14 question. Question number 14. 14 question, that is mixed concept mass. Question number 14. This is a concept. It's very important. The particle of mass is 1 case. Particle of mass is 1 case. And carrying charge is 0.01 c. Rest on the inclined plane. Angle theta is equal to 30 degrees with the hot center. Field is equal to 490 by root 3. That is a Newton Coulomb inverse. Coefficient of friction we have to find. Coefficient of friction we have to find. Do you know very well? This is very, very important. Now we'll see. See here, this is horizontal. This is inclined. This is a theta is equal to 30 degrees. This is a mass 1 kc. This is a carry charges Q is equal to. Okay, no. So this is a weight. So weight adds vertically downward direction. This is a weight. This can be resolved into two components. This is resolved into two components. Making angle theta means this is a mg cos theta. This is y-axis, x-axis. Mg is in a xy plane. This mg can be resolved into two components. Mg cos theta, mg sin theta. Next, this is field horizontal. So intensity of electric field is equal to F by, that is F is equal to EQ. That is F is equal to EQ. This is EQ direction. That is electric field is applied horizontal direction. This is the making angle theta. This one means this is a EQ cos theta. EQ cos theta. EQ cos theta. So one more perpendicular component is this is the EQ sin theta. You can take this is the sin theta. This is straight line is perpendicular to this thing. This is we call normal line. The board is rest. The block is rest. Block is at rest position. Rest position. So this is mg sin theta is full the block is downward direction means the friction acts upward. That is a friction. So friction acts upward direction. That is a friction is equal to mu yes. And block is rest position means n is equal to mg cos theta plus eq sin theta. Eq sin theta. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Next term, mg sin theta. This is the vertical forces. Vertical forces. Horizontal forces is mg sin theta is equal to f plus eq cos theta. Eq cos theta. Eq cos theta. Now first I'm going to calculate n is equal to mg cos theta. Mg cos theta plus eq sin theta. Now you see n is equal to m means what is the mass of block is 1. G means I'm taking G is equal to 9.8. G is equal to 9.8. Why I'm taking 9.8 means this is a 490 we are taking. That's fine. So 9.8. This is a 1 into 9.8. 1 into 9.8 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus E value. E value is 490 by root 3. Q value is 0.01 sin 30. Sin 30. We are taking this is a sin 30. This is a cos 30. We are taking. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. So now n is equal to this is a 4.9. 4.9 root 3 plus this is a 4.9 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So n is equal to 4.9. Take the common.
So this is a 4.9. So 2 root 3 take LCM. 2 root 3. And this one. 2 into root 3 to 3 plus 1. Which is 4.9. This is a 3 to 3, 6 plus 1. Sorry. 2 root 3. This is a value of 8. This is our normal. Next, I'm going to find out mg sin theta is equal to f means mu and plus eq cos theta. What we have to find out mu. Mu we have to find out. Now this is something to say mu and is equal to mg sin theta minus eq cos theta. Now here take this side. N means this is n. Mu is equal to mg sin theta. Yes, u2 cos theta. N means what is n? N means already I did 4.9, 7 by 2. 2. So next step is mu is equal to m means 1, 9.8, sin 30. We are taking this is sin 30. This is also cos 30 equals m means means what is 9.8 and sin 30 means 2. U means what is E? 490 by 499. 499. So cos E is 0.01 and 2. And cos 30 would be 2. So by that is 4.9, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. That is 2 visible. This is a 4.1. 4.9 minus this is a value is 4.9 by 2. Yes, that is a by 2. This is a by 4.9, 7 by 2. 7 by mu is equal to 4.9 taken common 1 minus 2 by 4.9 7 by 2. Now 4.400 x. Next that is 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 2 root 3 by 7 take out 7. 2 cancel. That is 1